Oklahoma parents fighting back.
They don't want new social studies standards to go into effect. In fact, they are so mad, they're taking their case to court.
News 4's Mecca Thompson is joining us here with details on all of this. Mecca.
Jill and Kevin, former Oklahoma Attorney General Mike Hunter is representing a group of Oklahoma families and teachers challenging the legality of how the board adopted the new social studies standards.
The state board broke its own rules and ignored due process.
Parents and teachers are trying to stop the adoption of new social studies standards lawmakers could have sent back to the drawing board but did not. The standards, approved back in February, are now in place for the next 6 years.
Our goal is to get to the truth of things.
Former Attorney General Mike Hunter says the focus here isn't what's in the standards, it's about the process in which they were approved. For example, there was confusion over what was in the standards when the state board approved them.
One state board of education member in the minutes was indicated to have made the motion. She denies that. There is clearly a difference between the standards that were online and the standards that were brought before the board.
The standards became a hot topic due to last-minute changes. They asked students to consider debunked 2020 election theories, stripped mentions of the Black Lives Matter movement, and refer to COVID-19 as originating in a Chinese lab.
We do mention the inclusion of a passage in the standards that relates to the 2020 election.
State Superintendent Ryan Walters issuing a statement reading, quote, "These are the most pro-American standards in the nation, rooted in the founding principles that built this country and shaped our state. That's exactly what Oklahoma parents want their kids to learn."
They want their children, their grandchildren, and their pupils to be educated in a way that's consistent with the law. The law was not followed.
The petition is being presented before Oklahoma County Judge Brent Dishman. Hunter says he will also be asking for a temporary restraining order to keep the standards from going into effect while the lawsuit is pending.